Hello, I'm Joshua Onio. I'm presenting case analysis for Tennessee Bank. So let's start on company background. So Tennessee Bank what was known as the first bank in Tennessee, where it is has dominant market share in its major market. So on outside Tennessee, it is called a First Horizon Bank. So the bank it headquartered on state is First Tennessee, and uh, in 23 it it's expand on the North Virginia and Maryland on 2003. Uh, it offers a broad range of financial products and services to both companies and consumers. So how predictive analytics was used to solve the business problem and how the predictive analytics solution works. So First Tennessee Bank uses predictive analytics to improve its marketing experiential, concentrating on initiatives that produce the best ROI by integrating a detailed understanding of the demands of client categories with real profit and loss data. So the capacity of First Tennessee to target its campaigns more intelligently has boosted its response rate by 3.1%, reduced critical marketing expenditure by nearly 20%, and allowed the bank to meet its most resources. So this is how the predictive analytics solution works. So we use upside down pyramid to identify the how the predictive analytics solution works. So let's start from the bottom. So it is the predictive analytics capability. So it's the first effort, though it is necessarily basis. Implementation that required a small portion of the resources. So the next level of the pyramid is the business intelligence. Uh, it is uh, the security of business intelligence from the data warehouse and financial finance department is required. So it is followed by the development of framework for ROI-based modeling. The model would construct tiers of profitability for different types of product and accounts, and hence distinct categories of consumers based on product attributes such as fees, spread, and count balance. So the last level is the process level. So driving change at the process level was Mark's toughest challenge, uh, and in many ways, uh, the the most the most vital component to his success. The essential procedures in the context are related to decision made by marketing managers and inside lines of business about program finance. So as um, as you can see here, this is the process of how how the how they use predictive analytics on the bank. Uh, First is the bank has established a highly structured and focused approach over the previous few years. So let's begin on the consumer's lead derived from the large it derived from the large number of customer data points. So The predictive analytics. The next is predictive analytics. Each customer is scored but on their propensity to acquire each product in personalized portfolio using this algorithm. So that built by Mark Stock. This method also assists the bank's marketing in identifying product clusters that offer sweet spots for cross-selling opportunities. So the last is the expected profitability. So first Tennessee's model generates quantitative measure for of the expected profitability of a given product offered by specific subset of each customers by information from each combining product revenue and cost information from each data warehouse with the segment data discussed, such that each product segment offer under consideration is assigned an expected RR value. So, what are some predictors used for the predictive analytics model? The predictive parameters utilized begin with the understanding of each customer's banking needs derived straight from a large number of customer data points. Each consumer is scored on their possibility to acquire each product in First Tennessee's portfolio using predictive analytics algorithm by Mark Stock. This approach has the additional benefit of assisting the bank's marketeers in identifying product clusters that represent sweet spot from costing attacks. So, how did Danmarks build an analytics culture? So, when Mark intended to develop the approach to organization and optimizing marketing resources around ROI, he built the analytic focus, which looks under the covers at the relative profitability of all initiatives and utilize that as the foundation of for decision making. He employs to identify product clusters that are likely to be successful for cross-selling opportunities with the use of customer data points for product or income cost information and bank performance metrics. Mark has able to design the framework for ROI modeling. First Tennessee has been able to improve its campaign experience by using predictive analytics to target the most appealing demographic for specific offers, quality over quantity strategy. And that's all. Thank you.